This is how to assemble the HOMLAND toilet safety rails. We have the left and right armrests, the middle tubes, the foot tubes, the rear suction cups, the toilet paper holder, the C-clamps, the pentagon screws with the copper washers, knobs, the organizer pouch, and the instruction booklet. And the first thing to do is to grab the left armrest, and we're gonna open it up. Now right over here, we're gonna grab two pieces of hardware, starting with the C-clamp. This is gonna be placed right on top, and you can just push it in. And next, we can grab the pentagon screw with the washer and the knob. So this just unscrews easily, and I can remove the knob, remove that copper washer, and we're gonna insert the pentagon screw starting from the back side over here, just like that. And now it's time to insert that copper washer, and this goes with that tapered edge on the inside, just like this. And we could screw this in place. Now that it's nice and secure, I'll grab the other rail and do the same thing. Open it up, that C-clamp goes right on top. And now time for this, just like that. And now it's time to attach the left and right portions together. So just push it in, hold that button, push it in again. And this is adjustable, but I'm gonna leave it at the widest setting for now. And now it's time for the feet. So the easiest thing to do would be to flip this upside down. And I'll just put this off to the side for now. And now I'm gonna attach the middle tube to the foot tube. So make sure to grab this end right over here and attach them together. And once again, I'm just gonna attach it to the highest setting. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it's time to put all feet to the bottom of the safety rails. So I'm gonna grab that again and then make sure it's upside down and then attach them over here. But first we have to remove the caps at the bottom. So these just pop right out, and these are just gonna be like little rubber caps. There, just like that. And now the feet can be placed inside. So just push it down and then press both ends of these push pins until it clicks into place. And then do that for the other 3 sides. Just like that. And now if we look at the feet, all the feet are gonna be the same. But if you want, you can use these other suction cup feet for extra security, and I am gonna use these. So to do that, just start by removing the caps of 2 of the feet. And these are gonna be the feet at the rear. So wherever this part is, remove those feet at the bottom. And this is pretty simple. This just pops right off, just with a little bit of pressure, like this. And then here's what the bottom of that looks like. And now we can grab that suction foot cup and then screw that in. All right, that's 1 foot. Now this other side here, and that's 2. So here's what we have so far. And now there's a few things left, which is gonna be to add the toilet paper holder and then the pouch. In this case, I'm gonna add this to my right side. So I'll just place it like right over here, and you could just pop this in and it stays in place like that. And the pouch is gonna be just as easy. And here's what we have so far. So here's a quick preview of what it looks like, but now let's head over to the bathroom with this. So this is a little tricky to get inside, so I am gonna go sideways, and then I can put this right over here. And this does feel a bit uneven if you get a closer look. So I'm actually going to push this inside and make it a bit narrower. There, and now it just feels a little bit more even. And here I have 2 things to add. We're gonna add the toilet paper holder right on my right side, so I'll make sure to put this correctly. Just like that. Although this is kind of heavy, so it doesn't stay in place. But let me see if I actually just install it like this instead over here. Yeah. This part over here feels more secure, so I'd probably just install it in the front and then sideways. Actually, this might be the proper way to install it. And then over here I have a notebook, so I'll put this right at the bottom here, and then you can get a better view of what it looks like right there. So that's how to install the HOMLAND toilet safety rails.